you're doing everything right. You keep active, you stay rested, and you eat clean. Or at least that's what you thought. Yep, you heard us right. Just because you buy organic ingredients doesn't mean they're clean. There's actually a whole world of bacteria, pesticides, and other illness-causing food contaminants left on your food, even after you clean it. In fact, roughly 7 million people per year get sick from foodborne illnesses. That's where we come in. Introducing the DTX-1, the revolutionary portable food cleaning and sanitizing device that naturally removes 99% of impurities on your fruits, veggies, meats, and beyond. The DTX-1 combines a powerful natural oxidizer and ultrasonic cleaner that penetrates foods and cleans not only on the surface, but also on the inside, resulting in a 20 times better clean than washing by hand. With the touch of a button, the DTX-1 kills the most common foodborne bacteria and other microbial contaminants. It's like having the power of a commercial food and produce purification system in the palm of your hand. Expertly designed, the DTX-1 makes cleaning your food quick and effortless. Simply fill a container with water up to the fill line of the DTX-1 along with your ingredients. Select your desired mode, and in minutes, your food will be clean, sanitized, and ready to enjoy. Not only does the DTX-1 clean your food, it also keeps your produce fresher for longer, and even enhances the taste of fruits and veggies, making them truly irresistible.
I absolutely love the DTX-1. It is so easy to use and has given me complete peace of mind, knowing that my family is actually eating healthy, clean food that's pesticide-free, and you can see the difference.
I had no idea there was so many contaminants on my food even after washing it, but after using DTX-1, I am highly confident that it's free of bacteria and clean of all the toxins.
The DTX-1 even goes beyond cleaning food, sanitizing anything from keys to utensils, jewelry, and even toys. It's time to revitalize your health. Stop rinsing and start cleaning. Keeping you and your family safe and healthy has never been easier with the DTX-1.